In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate on a GitHub repository quickly and easily in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned developer or new to the world of version control, knowing how to collaborate effectively on GitHub is a crucial skill. So let's get started. First, you need to visit the GitHub website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in GitHub's URL, that's github.com. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on GitHub's homepage. This is the gateway to millions of repositories that you can explore and contribute to. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll see the sign in option. If you already have a GitHub account, go ahead and click this to proceed. In case you haven't used GitHub before, you'll need to create an account first, which you can do by following the sign up link on the same page. After clicking sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your username or email address. Type in your details accurately to ensure a successful login. It's important to remember both your username and your password, as you'll use these credentials every time you want to access your GitHub account. Once you've entered your username or email, the next step is to input your password. For security reasons, always ensure your password is strong, combining letters, numbers, and symbols. This not only protects your information, but also prevents unauthorized access to any repositories you manage. With your username and password entered correctly, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the Sign In button. If everything checks out, you'll be directed to your GitHub dashboard. This dashboard is your personal command center on GitHub, showcasing projects you're involved with and news from repositories you're watching or contributing to. Now go on and click the Repository tab. This action will lead you to the section where all the repositories linked to your account reside. If you're contributing to an existing repo, select it from the list. In case you're starting a new collaboration, make sure the repository has been set up beforehand. Once you're on the repository page, look for the Settings option. It's typically located near the top menu. Clicking on Settings brings you to a page with various options to configure your repository. This is where you can manage access, integrations, webhooks, and more. In the Settings menu, you'll find a section labeled Collaborators. Click this to view current collaborators and manage access. This is essential for teamwork, as you can control who has read, write, or admin access. Lastly, to add a new collaborator, select the Add People button. Here, you'll need the GitHub username or email of the individual you wish to invite. Type the details in the dialog box and follow the prompts to send an invitation. Once accepted, your new collaborator will have access to your repository, paving the way for efficient and effective teamwork. And there you have it, a straightforward way to collaborate on a GitHub repository. By following these steps, you can easily manage your projects and work with others seamlessly. Thanks for watching and happy coding.